Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Afro Swing FX. I will be doing a weekly recap and we'll be doing it on live. I will look at the markets, what has happened in the last 1 week. We have had major moves across major pairs, opportunities for guys to exploit to make some money. So I'm doing this live recap at 8:58 p.m. Kenyan time. 8:58 p.m. Kenyan time. I hope it will not be a long recap. I know guys are tired, just want to rest, and I will not be taking much of your time. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me go straight into what has happened. I'll start with GBP USD. GBP USD, ladies and gentlemen, if you remember last weekend, I did a live analysis of GBP USD, and we discussed that GBP USD will be coming to chase these lows down here, and it broke structure, and we expect it to continue the bearish slide downwards. We expect it to we expect it to push down to these levels. We expect it to push down to these levels. I'll also look at Euro USD. This is another pair that we are looking at. This week we saw a lot of moves on Euro USD. Presently we have a liquidity grab. Here. We expected it to come to this liquidity, so effectively this liquidity has been taken out. So what do we expect on the higher time frames? Let me just go back to the daily. So on the daily time frame, we are sitting in a demand zone. And in the coming weeks, what are we likely to experience? So we could see a reaction to this upside before it breaks structure, retraces, and continues. The other alternative, ladies and gentlemen, we could see a consolidation, a break, then a retracement, then a further move downwards. So presently, I cannot project and tell you what is likely to happen. And where are we waiting for this? Either in the fair value gap, or we are waiting for the fresh order block down here. But we will wait and see what happens. If it breaks lower, we just wait for retracement, then we will continue selling. If it retraces upwards to this fresh order block, then we place our sell limit here. Alternatively, we will wait for the market to give us a move for us to execute. Just a minute, I need to adjust something on my end. I think we're okay. So I'll go to the next pair, GBP JPY. In my Telegram channel, ladies and gentlemen, I gave this setup on my Telegram channel where we had a break of structure. We have a break of structure here. We have a retracement, and now we have our take profit that was sitting down here. We made approximately $14 on this trade. It was on micro lot. We made $14. And if you go to Telegram, ladies and gentlemen, search Afro Swing FX, you will see that setup that was posted there, and evidence of the trade that was placed in the market, and then evidence of the trade that closed in profit. You can also join my Telegram channel. Of course, at this point, I'll ask you to like my channel, subscribe to my channel, and of course, leave a comment. The more you like and interact with my channel, the more my channel is pushed to people who might like this content. So I'll go to AUDJPY. AUDJPY. We were pushing higher. We have been pushing higher, and it broke this level, which grabbed the liquidity that was seated up here. Uh, we were targeting this low that was broken. Let me just mark the low. We were targeting this low that was broken, and then this second low that was broken, and then we had a retracement to this level. So the next week we expect this move to be valid. But since I missed it in the earlier breakouts, I will target it here. What do I mean? If let me just do a new arrow. If it comes down and breaks, I'll wait for retracement, then I'll sell targeting this liquidity. So it's not late. We are not late. We could still execute this move possibly Monday or Tuesday. Another setup that is very active, I had posted it on Telegram, is this setup on CHFJPY. I had missed the earlier entry, but I think we are still in the move. Once we see a retracement on Monday, I understand Bank of Japan will be doing an update on their monetary policy. They could influence the market. The market could push to this level, then we will sell. USD JPY also. USD JPY. At this point, you'll allow me to go to my. Let me just go to my content. This is on TradingView. This is on TradingView. I want to show you USD JPY. Let me find USD JPY. Here we are. So on USD JPY, I had posted this piece of work on TradingView. For those of you who know what TradingView is a charting software, forex charting software, even stocks. I think all financial instruments, major financial instruments, you'll find them on TradingView, and you can track them. So I had done this piece of analysis, and I was recommending the dollar versus the yen will take off from this region to the region of 146, or come lower to this region of 133, then take off. But if I replay the bars how they've been going, you see it's touched this region of 146. I think it's looking to break higher to come to the region of 150. So that tells me we are bullish on the dollar versus major pairs. So if I go back to my charts, sorry, let me just go back to my chart. Bear with me. Good. So if I go back to my chart on USD JPY, what we're expecting over the coming weeks or a few days maybe is the pair will push higher, and then we are likely to see a reaction where now we will go into a bearish move. And I'm not saying this is what will happen maybe in the next 1 or 2 weeks. It could take months for this reaction to be experienced. Our job is to wait and see what the market will give us. GBP Canadian also was spotted on, I think, my Instagram account. Again, my Instagram account is AfroSwingFX. We have taken out this liquidity. Let me remove it. We have taken out this low. And if you look at this arrow, we were looking to break lower, then do a retracement, and then push down. So we have not done the retracement to the level of 1.72. I think the market will come back to that region possibly in 2024. So presently where we headed, we are headed to this level of 1.55, 1.552, and this is a valid level. So if you happen to wait for a retracement, then enter. If you happen to wait for a retracement, then you enter at the right time. Targeting the 1.55. You will bank serious pips here. Serious pips. The same has also happened to Euro Canadian. Again, if you go to my channel, you will see I had a Euro Canadian setup where we were waiting for a retracement. It didn't happen, so the move came down here to 1.42. We are anticipating a break of this structure, possibly in the coming weeks. If we have a break of structure and then a retracement, we look to place additional sell limits. Another pair that we missed, I missed the entry of USD. I think I had posted this somewhere, either my website page or my Instagram page. I had posted this piece of work. So we are currently at 0.58. My expectation is that it will push higher to this level of liquidity or this fresh order block. Because I've missed this move on the upside, I'm not looking to catch it anytime soon. I will wait for a retracement or a confirmation of change of trend. I'll be targeting the 0.58 again. So possibly I'll catch this move maybe late in quarter 4. Euro CHF is what I think will catch this move very, very soon. If it retraces to this region of the liquidity, I've placed my buy limits here, targeting this fresh order block where I've placed this icon representing money. That will be my take profit region. But if it doesn't retrace again, I'll also remove that buy limit order from the market. USD CHF, if guys caught this move, my advice would be don't get out of it anytime soon. My advice would be don't even look to get out of this move. Why? I think USD CHF will hit this level of 1. So even if you happen to get in at 0.91 and you exit at 1, that's approximately 9,000 pips. 9,000 pips would be approximately $80 when you take out swaps. To be about $90 to $80. Sorry, I think I'm receiving communication. Just a minute. So GBP AUD, this is a pair. I'll advise traders out there to look at it. So allow me to go to the monthly. If you look at the monthly, we have this impulsive move, and then what we have is this corrective move. So what we're expecting is this impulsive move to be replicated. That is what we're expecting. So for the better part of 2023, GBP has been very strong versus all other pairs out there. Very, very strong. And what we are witnessing is that the retracement or the correction has completed. So we are waiting, or rather I am waiting for a break at this level. Once it breaks this red dotted line, I will place my sell. I look for a retracement level, place my sell limits, and I'm targeting this 1.71. So ladies and gentlemen, if you happen to get it at 1.88 and you exit at 1.71, you're talking about some 17,000 pips. That is approximately $170 on a micro lot. That's not bad money. Again, in Forex, ladies and gentlemen, it's slow is fast and less is more. Placing 10, 20, 30 trades will not get you to your goal faster. Placing one trade and allowing it to run and make you as much profit as possible will get you to your goals without risking or blowing your account. So this is one pair I'll advise guys to look out for. I'll also be posting my setups either on my Telegram channel or I'll be posting my setups on my Instagram channel. I mean, check me out anywhere. You'll find that setup. Mostly, I think I'll be doing it on Telegram because I want to also grow that channel. Same case applies to Euro AUD. This is a pair that I'll also advise you to observe it. I think I did a video last weekend on Saturday, and I said I favor the conservative entry. This conservative entry that was not activated. What was activated is this aggressive entry. So if you place your trades at this aggressive entry, I think you're in this trade. And even if you got it at 1.66 or even 1.65, and you're exiting at 1.63, 1.61, those are good pips. You can bank good pips. You can bank very, very good pips here. Also, GBP and ZD, this is one pair that can also make you serious money. So presently, my advice would be wait for it to break this region and also break this region. This has a downside potential coming down from 2, hitting 1.88. So all this, I think we'll experience this move before the close of 2023. So traders can prepare themselves to exploit this particular move. Same case for Euro NZD. Same case for Euro NZD. What am I expecting? Euro NZD. Again, if you allow me, just allow me to do this, ladies and gentlemen. Allow me to take you to where I had done this post. If you just allow me to take you to Euro NZD. So this is the post, or rather, this is the analysis, and there was this orange line or the red line. Let's replay and see what happened. So you see, it touched the red line, didn't go to the, sorry, it touched the orange line, didn't go to the red line. It came down to this level of 1.78. It's pushing to the level of 1.77. So if you got in at 1.83 and you got out at, if you target to get out at 1.77 or even 1.78, you're likely to bank some 5,000 pips, again, according to your broker. The level of swaps you've been charged, possibly you could do $40 to $45 on a micro lot. Again, that's not bad money. That's really, really good money. Let me go back to the markets. Let me go back to the markets. Let me go back to the markets. I think that's my alarm to go to bed, but I think I'll stay longer. So we were at Euro NZD. You have seen how it played out. I also did a video and told guys exotics can pay you and can pay you really well. They can also blow your account depending how you approach them. If you're conservative, well, they'll make some money for you. So I think if you look at my previous video, or even if you go to my Instagram channel, you'll see a setup of GBP ZAR. And we had projected this correction, then this impulsive move. And if you happen to catch this trade at 24, and right now you're at 22, well, I think you'll be doing good money. I think you'll be banking some good money. And we are expecting this thing to push down to the levels of 20.4. So if you stay in this trade, you could bank more than $100 on a micro lot. If you get out early, you'll still do some nice profits. Euro NZD, ladies and gentlemen, I'll send you to my trading view channel and also my Instagram channel. I had posted this chart of Euro ZAR. But if you want, I can still show you what happened. I can still show you what happened. Euro ZAR, Euro ZAR, Euro ZAR. There you are. And this was posted on August 22nd, so up here you'll be seeing the time. And purple line suggests a retracement to this level, and then they'll push down to this level. So let's see what happened. So you're seeing it, of course it came lower, then pushed higher, came to this level. So if you got in at 20.71 and you're at 20.18, I think you're doing some goods. You're making some good money. But if you stay in this trade, you can wait for it at 19.4 or 19.2. I'll also show you how US 100 and US 500 played out, but allow me to get to there. I'll be moving systematically. So we've just done Euro ZAR, Euro South African Rand. Let me do, yes, Euro South African Rand. So let me go to the DXY. DXY is the American Dollar Index. American Dollar Index. If I'll start with the monthly, you will see this is the impulsive move. Oh, sorry. Let me do it correctly. So this is the impulsive move. Impulsive move. I could mark out supply to be at this region. This is the monthly time frame. Of course,